Hello queens and kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. So today I'm giving you guys this DIY picture frame wreath. Here are all the items that you're going to need to make this picture frame wreath. All the items I did purchase, most of the items I did purchase from the Dollar Tree, except for the Hello Fall, the hot glue gun, the glue stick, the scissors, and the wire cutters, but you can find those at your local craft store. Now all I did was tuck everything out of my frame. Now I'm placing my Hello Fall wording directly on top of it, and I'm going to cut off that screen and that ribbon that you see there hanging from the top above. Right now at this point I don't need it, and a quick FYI, I'm not going to use everything that I showed you guys, but most of it I will. Here I am just basically putting hot glue down everywhere where the wording do touch the frame. Now I'm just going to flip that over, but I'm pressing down first just to make sure it's secure, and I'm going to flip it over like I said and place some more hot glue directly in the same places there I know where the wording meet the frame at, just to be extra secure and be very cautious, because this will be outside on my front door. Now that I have flipped my frame back over, I'm taking these burlap leaves here and I'm starting to place them around the picture frame just to give an idea of how I want it to look on the frame. And I'm going to start off as this being my base for the rest of the items that I will be using for this frame. Okay, Queens Kings, so now that we have got our leaves down and where I'm going to arrange them, or how I have them arranged, and the idea of how I like them to look, now I'm just going to start layering all the rest of the items, all the picks, I should say, the flowers, the pumpkins, everything that I showed you guys in the beginning. And at this point I will be stopped doing this voiceover, all because now is as self-explanatory. I don't think I had to explain anything else at this point here. So if you queens and kings do enjoy the video, please just give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share with your family, friend, and loved ones like always. Also, please subscribe to the castle if you're new, and if this is your very first time a video of mine that you have seen, I would love for you to be a part of the family. Okay, queens and kings, I'm back. Isn't she gorgeous? Just look how gorgeous she is. Look how beautiful this turned out. I am so proud of myself because I just used some things that I had in my home and decided to create this look here because I wanted a wreath for my outside door, but I didn't want to go back to the store and get another wreath. So I just used this picture frame and look what I created. Look how gorgeous it is. I did hung it up by using that Dollar Tree ribbon that you see back there. I did glue it onto the frame, and I add some bling picks that you do see in there, and I also added some more burgundy flowers in there that I did not show you guys. I did all that off camera, but I just love how gorgeous and full it look and how welcoming it is on my front door. If you queens and kings enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share with your family and friends and loved ones like always, and subscribe to the castle if you like to see more videos like this. And with that being said, queens and kings, always do what you guys are afraid to do, and you guys know that's in a positive way. I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video. Bye.